Hello and welcome to 5 Minute STEM. Today we're going to be going over some basic formulas that everyone should know how to do in Excel. So let's say we have this data here. We have a column for work order numbers, the number of items bought, the person who bought the items, and then their location. And let's say we wanted to figure out the total amount for all the items bought. So let's say each item was $5.99. You could do $5.99 times the cell number, that's your total, and then you can just drag down the formula. Okay. Now, Excel also has some built-in functions, so instead of writing it out like that, you can do equals product. Number 1 would be 2, and then you would just add $5.99, and it's the same answer. And again, you can just drag it all the way down. Now let's say you wanted to get a total for all these line items. You would do equals sum, and then just highlight all the rows. Okay. Now another important formula is a vlookup. So that's basically when you want to search for a certain item or something within your data set. So let's say we wanted to find the work order number 50188 and the person who was associated with that. So I do equals vlookup, and then your lookup value is 50188. The table array would be here. You don't have to select the entire table array. You could just do the ones that you need, so work order and name are essential. The column index number would be 3 because the name column is the third column in the selected table array. And then range lookup is false because you want to find the exact work order number. And that's Tyler Bass, so let's just double check. 50188, Tyler Bass. So now let's say we want to find the sum for just everyone in Florida. You would use the sumif formula. So equals sumif. The range would be the location values. The criteria is Florida. And then the sum range is just the amount column. And that's the total amount for everyone in Florida. Now let's say you have an additional criteria, so the location would be Florida and the name is Michael Landon, and you want to find the sum for everything that meets that criteria. You do equals sumifs. This time you do the sum range first. Then you do the criteria range for the first criteria, which is location. And then the second criteria is name. There you go. And the sumifs can have, 2 or more criteria. Thanks for watching.